Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our Throwback Thursday card. And so I'm using two of my favorite folders that are indeed retired. We've got the exposed brick and the mini corrugated folder. I love these. These will stay on my shelf. I've marked them as retired, so when I go ahead and use them in a video, I remind myself that they're no longer available. So what are we doing with this one? I have used this is Blackberry Bliss card base, 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white. And you'll see as I construct the one on the video, I have cut the middle out so I can save that rather than cover it up. The mini corrugated folder piece is 5 by 3 3/4, just so it mats out a little bit. And then this is the second largest of the shape from the Nested Essentials dies. And this is the second smallest from that same Nested Essentials set. These little sequins are left over from a paper pumpkin kit. I don't know which one, and I don't know how long I've had them, but they work perfectly here. So what we're going to do, I am just going to change it up. I realized I've been using similar colors the last little while. So we have got Lemon Lime Twist, which is one of my favorite greens. It competes really strongly with Granny Apple Green for my love. So I'm just going to adhere the 5 1/4 by 4 piece down. I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on it. And honestly, I chose the color for this based on what bling I had, and I'm using the shimmering dots, and they are really, really versatile. The white ones could go on anything, and then there's the Lemon Lime Twist, and then there's almost like a pool party Coastal Cabana cross. So this is just going to be flat mounted down like this. And we will just put this down like this. Give it a bit of a push. Okay. And then I'm going to dimensionalize this piece. So I'm just going to pop one there, one here, one here, and then one in the middle like this. We're going to leave those out because I'll need them again. Okay. And we're just going to peel those backs off. And here we go. And the greeting is from the Scalloped Blooms set. So there are dies in the Scalloped Blooms set that you could use to cut this out. But since I already had the Nested Essentials out, I thought I would go ahead and use that one. Now, I am going to pop this on like this. This side does not need to be dimensionalized because it's going over top of something that is already dimensionalized. So I'm just going to put some adhesive down. And there we go. I really like this in Lemon Lime Twist. It's got a vibrancy to it. Okay, and so now we're going to, I got to this point on this card and went, little bit plain, got to admit, it's lacking a little something. So that's when I decided to pull out the bling. And I am going to go bling heavy on this one, just because I think it could use just a little bit of zhuzhing up. Okay, we're going to pop that like that. And then we're going to put one over here like this. And then just fill in this one at the bottom here. Just, again, a little bit of zhuzh. And I'm almost thinking I could put one up here too. So why not? Okay. And there we go. And I finally figured out how to use my take your pick tool. The other one worked just fine. This one, for whatever reason, I kept trapping the sticky stuff underneath the gem. So I figured that out. We're all good to go. So we have this one in Blackberry Bliss with some retired sequins. This one in the Lemon Lime Twist. So let me know which one you prefer and what colors you would do this in. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.